Hello and hello. Let's see how to add things to a list. So I have an empty main.py and I will create an empty list. This and just call it list. And I want to print the list. So list print. So now when I run it, just prints this list. But I want to add something to it. For example, this. So we will call list or the variable dot append. And after this dot append, what you will need to do is just add this and enter the object or the store you want to add. So append, hey, then I want to print it again. So print this. Now when I run it, like this. So when I run it now, it says hey. Then this hey. Now I want to add append something else. So list dot append. Then I will add something like hello, and then print list again. So print list. Sorry, print list. So now I entered it. Now I want to delete hey. So list dot remove. So remove. Then here we can add the value or the number. So I want to remove number 1, then print list again. Print this. And I have to fix the mistake. So now, sorry, this dot does this thing. So remove. Sorry, this is only the value. So I want to remove hey. So now, when I run, let it, hey, hey, hello, then hello. And this is how you can insert and delete things. If you want to delete all of the things in the list, just type list.clear. And this will clear all the things and you don't have to pass anything. So now, hey, hello, then it clear. And this is the list and they are very important in Python. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and like this video for more. See you soon.